Hi. So in this recording, we're going to take a look at the image rotation tool. Now, this is a really helpful tool in case you want to rotate your image or even slightly just tilt it to the point because you don't have it completely straight, but you don't really need to use the skew or warp tool, okay, through editing. So you're going to be opening up your image, just like I've done here, right? And I'm going to show you how we can get to the rotation tool. Again, since you're going to be doing it to the whole image, we go first to image. Okay, I have to crop that there, sorry. So we'll go to image and you scroll down to image rotation. Now you're going to see that you have a couple of different options here, 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise and counterclockwise. Then you also have flip canvas horizontal and flip canvas vertical. Now, the other thing, arbitrary, does come in really handy, okay? So if I wanted to do something like just slightly tilt my image, as you can see here, it's just a little tiny bit, just kind of moving downward in one direction. I could go to the arbitrary, and that could just slightly shift it over just a tiny bit. So I'm going to go to image rotation, arbitrary, right? And you're going to see here it says rotate canvas clockwise or counterclockwise. Well, since I want to do it clockwise because I want to go in this direction, right? I have to figure out my angle. Now, this is kind of sensitive, so I'm going to show you what it's like if you put in like a whole number, like let's say a 1, okay? Let's take a look at it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, I think a 1 pretty much did it. But if I was going to try and do it something like a 2, you'd see that it was kind of was overdoing it, all right? So this is a really helpful tool just in case you want to be able to do that with your image or because you were shooting it, you didn't have the ability to move your camera, a certain way. What will happen to it if you put it on the side? Okay, well, I'll just give kind of like a look at it here. Okay, now don't be concerned if you make a mistake like that. You can just do a Command Z, right? Or, of course, you can always just keep rotating it, as I've seen some of you do, instead of using the undo button. Okay, so here we go. All right, and that's just an easy way that you can use the rotation tool.